This JMP demonstration shows how to make a three-dimensional scatter plot. We're using the penguins data from JMP sample data folder. 3D scatter plots are like traditional 2D scatter plots, only incorporating a third continuous variable on a new z-axis. To create one, go to Graph, Scatterplot 3D. Select 3 or more continuous variables, add them to the Y columns row, and click OK. JMP produces an interactive scatter plot using the first 3 variables that you selected, and you can click and drag inside the scatter plot to rotate it in 3 dimensions. To change which variables are plotted, use the drop-down menus, or you can click the arrow button to progress through all possible combinations of variables. Customization options are available by right-clicking inside the graph. For example, you can resize the points, or change the perspective. You can use the points' colors or shapes to bring additional variables into the graph. Let's color the points based on penguin species. We'll go to Rows, Color or Mark by Column, select the Species column, and then specify the colors or marker shapes that we'd like to use. Clicking OK applies the colors as row states back in the data table, and this is immediately reflected in the graph.